Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. The big dogs in the house now, baby. Let's get it. Let's go money green today, baby. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna turn on. Here we go. Oh, what we got? What we got? Here we go. Oh, is my light out? I think I gotta charge it. I think I gotta charge it, family. Somebody turn the lights back on. Oh yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Mic check. Somebody put a hold up. Yo, let me know where you from in a building, baby. Let's get it. Here we go. Let's talk about it, baby. I see you. We already know where you going. Listen, hold up. Let me give it one more shot. Don't play with me. Hold up. Light, you better not be dead.
Stop the cap.
Let's check it. Let's check it. It's really gone, family. Look, can we? Hold up. We gotta do something real quick, family. We gotta do something real quick, family. Hold up, man. Cause, come on, the light is out. The light is out. The light is out. Oh, I'm never gonna find that button. Yo, it's a wrap for that. It's a whole wrap. But again, let's see where you from, baby. So you already know. We know you going to the promised land, but we want to see where you from. So we got the DMV in a building, baby. Baltimore is in a building. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Somebody said foreshadowing. Hey, if it's put season, we know what to do. So he said, let's get it. I see you. I see you. We got Tampa in the building, Jacksonville in the building, Philly in the building. Let's go. We got Atlanta in the building, Queens, Miami. I see you, Mississippi. Come on now. Nebraska, we in the building. West Palm, we got Ireland in the building. Hey, shout out to the family growing like wildfire. I love to see it. I love to see it. We got New York in the building. Come on now. We love it. We absolutely love it. We absolutely love it. Florida again. Come on now. Let's see it. Cape Cod, we in the building. Jamaica in the building. Oman, here. Let's get it. So now, I want to say this. This is not financial advice, but this is a sponsored video brought to you by our good friends at the Public Investing app. Get up to $73 in free stocks from Kenan by hitting the link in the top of the chat, family. If you are not on Public, and the reason again, instant deposits. That's so huge. If you want any of these other apps, some of them don't have the instant deposit, and you want to get in on a play, load up on some stocks, and then you can't get it because you got to wait for your money to transfer over. So then what I want you to do is get on Public. Again, they don't use payment for order flow. You already know what time it is. That's the only reason why I'm rocking with them. But other than the fact that they got the instant deposits, I love it. I love it. And the easy user interface. They got different things. You got to have multiple brokers, and this is one of them that you got to add to your toolkit, baby. I mean that. So now, let's see what's going on. I see you. Somebody said hit the like button. Yes, let's hit that like button, family. Make sure we get up to 50% likes. That's what we're looking for. We're trying to make some money today, and let's make it happen. Also, join the Discord if you are not in the Discord already. Hit the Discord link. Come on in there with us. It's in the description. Haiti is in the building. All right, now let's see what's going on. Let's check this out. So I got to go back to, here we go. Here we go. The Netherlands is in the building too. I see you. All right, bet. So let me check the likes. 400 likes, family. We need more likes. We need more likes. It's saying that we froze. This thing better not be frozen. We better not be frozen. All right, yeah. So what? We got 500 likes. We need more likes, family. More. We need 50%. So now let's get it. Connecticut is in the building. Now let's talk about it, baby. Let's see what's going on the market. First of all, I'm looking at Disney to hit 150 and come pick us up. Right now is not bad. Right now is not bad. Also, if you're not in the Discord, you might have missed out on this on the watch list. You might have missed out on this on the watch list. And it's basically Astra Space, right? I put this on the watch list just basically last night, right? But they gapped up in the pre-market. I tried to get an order in, but guess what, family? It wouldn't go through. This thing gapped up so quickly that I couldn't get in on the order. But I put this one on the watch list. So we want to see how this one is going to play. Somebody said we good? Excellent. Excellent. I love to see it. Also, let's check out Rivian. We got to do a few things so we can see if we can get into some plays immediately or not. So Rivian has come down to 120. Yo, Rivian is dropping like a rock. Dropping like a straight up rock. So now, let's check this out. Should you get out of Saitama? You got to know what you're in it for. Are you swing trading it? Are you long term in it? Or are you a mix of both? So you picked it up and you paid $12.10 each for Aster. What are they now? Okay, that's not a bad price compared to where it is now. You couldn't catch Aster either? Listen, come on now. We be all right. Also, I got somebody sent me a super chat. Hey, Kenan, let's be good friends. Appreciate you, Steve. Good looking out. And Maggie, welcome to the family, baby. So, yeah, one of the major things today, too, is Ford separated from Rivian. So, they're dropping down 5%. Just know, I'm looking to get into a put option. However, remember, this thing has already come down again a lot. Right? It came down again a lot. It jumped up to about 140 yesterday, just about. And then Rivian has come down since to about 122. So let's talk about some Shiba and CRO for now before the market opens, so then we can see if we can get into some plays. If you want to be up on the plays or anything like that, get in the Discord. The link is in the top of the chat. So now let's first start it off with Shiba. So let's talk about it, baby. Could I get some dogs in the chat? And hit the like button if you're just rolling in. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I want to say I appreciate all of y'all. The channel has been growing like wildfire, baby. The channel's been growing like wildfire. The Discord fam, we've been growing like wildfire. It's just been straight up love. Now, come on now. Let's get it. Shiba. Let's start here. We are now back to the 45 range. I told you time and time and time again. Understand who you are. Are you a swing trader? Are you a long-term holder? Or are you a mix of both because you have this in multiple accounts, right? We talked about the Fibonacci retracement. Those of you who are new here, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can understand what's going on rather than being surprised by what's going on. So we have retraced all the way from the 88 high and coming back down, right? And we're headed, as it seems, towards our 61.8 Fibonacci level, family, which is the 37. This is a huge line. This is a huge line of support. And if it breaks this, family, we headed into the 20s easy on a technical standpoint, unless some crazy news comes out that overrides it. But understand, anytime you have fear, uncertainty, and doubt, people start to say, I'm not ready for this one. And then they back up. And then the momentum is killed in a way. Okay, so now, with that known, let's go look at some of the details on this. So you asking me, who's up on the play still? Let's go and double check. So this is how you do that. And I showed you before, but this is how you double check what's going on really with the coin. Go to coin market cap, right? Especially these coins that have been audited. They're much better than the ones that have not been audited. So let's take a look at Shiba, right? Shiba. How do you know if it's been audited or not? Look at this. Audits. This one has been audited by Certic. All right. This is what you do. You want to go over here to the analysis. Right? I'm on CoinMarketCap. This has been audited. Look at the analysis. When you look at the analysis, you get to see. And let's zoom in some. It tells us that how many holders are making money at the current price. 66% of the people who are in this are still up. Right? Basically, if you got in this a month ago, you up. But if you got in this, I want to say within the last 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, you are probably either where it is now at 9%, or out, which is 25%. Now, the concentration by large holders is saying that it's 78%, but you got to read between the lines, family. You got to read between the lines and see and remember that most of this is basically in a dead wallet, which is 41% of this, right? Now, they give you some actionable signals. One of them is weird, but one of them makes a lot of sense. So take a look at this. The one that's weird is this. The large transactions is down. And it says that the big dogs getting in on this. What's going on with it? Understand me. You want retail investors to primarily load up on this. So this one is not a negative signal. So you see how it's red right here? It's red or gray or green. Bad, neutral, or great, right? So then take a look at this. The big dogs loading up on this less is actually a good thing because, you know, the retail investors have more power. But if this number was going up, in my opinion, this would turn green, but it would be actually worse. Okay, so now let's check this out too, because you really got to understand. There's a rumor going around, and I cleared it up a little bit yesterday, but it's this: you can buy a Tesla with Shiba Inu, which is
stupid. Stop the cap.
And also a lie. Check this out. This is just one of them headlines that get you to click on it. Now check this. It says, buy a Tesla with Shiba Inu. And now most people are going to see this, and this came out on the 21st, basically yesterday, at 10:07 a.m. Take a look at this. When you really go and read this, family, it says, here we go with the ads. Here we go. It says this. And let me zoom in so you can see it yourself. Because, again, you know I'm coming with the receipts. I'm not just talking out of thin air. Take a look at this. Benzinga, they said, one Shib fan announced that they would get a Tesla, right? They would get the Tesla, the Model S Plaid, and then they said, long story short, effectively pointing out that the company now allows Teslas to be bought in exchange for Shiba Inu, right? As well as Lamborghinis and as well as other luxury vehicles. What does that mean? You could buy Teslas from a third party. You can buy Teslas from a third party. You can't go to the Tesla website and buy a Tesla. So if you've never bought a Tesla before, right? If you've never bought a Tesla before, this is how you buy a Tesla, right? You pick the model you want. Now, most people don't know this. Look at this. S3XY. So I'm probably going to get demonetized for this, but it's sexy, right? It's sexy, but they couldn't get the E. S-E, but 3XY. They couldn't get the E because I want to say Ford owns the Model E in terms of the copyright. And take a look at this. So you picked whatever one you want. They said the Plaid. You can't go and get a Plaid with Shiba Inu. You can't pay with it. So let's look. Order now. You order it now by clicking order now. Let's order a Tesla together, family. Oh, I wonder what kind of Tesla you like. So let's see. So you can get this white one. Maybe you don't want that one. And you know what? This is the potential savings, but who knows about savings? We all live in different areas. Let's take a look at the purchase price. So now, starting off, $94,990 before anything else. But you know what? We want the Plaid. This is the faster one, the tri-motor. Boom. $129.99. Or no, $129,990. Okay. So let's keep it going. What color do we want? We're going fire red, baby. Fire red. What wheels? You can get the Arachnid wheels, or you can get these other wheels. Yeah, we're going to stick with the Arachnid wheels, not the Tempest wheels. What kind of interior? We already paying this much for a car. We going white. Bam. Okay. Full capacity. We doing full self-driving, right? Let's do it. Add. Boom. Continue the payment. It's going to cost us basically $150,000, family. It says it's going to cost us to the dollar, $148,990. And then what's due today? A $250 deposit. So look, you could pay with Apple Pay, or you could order it with your card. You cannot buy it in Shib. You cannot buy it in Shiba Inu. However, it is the case that you could go to a third party and buy one from them. You can buy one from them. So let's check that out. Buy a Tesla with Shib, Vegas. You go to Vegas and pretty much do whatever you want out there, including buying a Tesla from a third party with Shiba Inu. Oh, market's open, baby. Let's get it. So make sure you've hit the like button. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell on all. Let's check out NIO. NIO is starting to pump. We love it. We love it. We love to see it. We want to see this pump up towards NIO Day. That's what we're looking for. For this to pump up towards NIO Day. Family, if you in the Discord with us, believe it or not, when I woke up this morning, I was down. I want to say 19% when I woke up this morning on this NIO call. And now I'm up on this NIO call. The difference a day makes, family. The difference a day makes. So now I'm back up on a NIO call, and everybody on the Discord with me. And again, I'm going to block this out for those of you who are viewing me on YouTube so you can't exactly see what it is because we still running this one actively. And I don't want you to just try to chase what we're doing and not be on a Discord and see how we're playing it. If you want to get on a Discord and be up on the options plays with us, right? If you want to get up on the options plays with us, then just know you can do so, but you got to be on a Discord so you can follow it out exactly how we're following it out. Because what we do is we update the plays as we go on. We update the plays, we average down together, we do all of this and that together. So understand, yo, shout out to Neo, man. Shout out to Neo. I love to see it. I love to see it. Shout out to the Philippines too. That's love. We love the Philippines. I'm trying to get a screenshot. Yo, let's go. I love it. I love it. But again, yeah, family, I gotta block this one out. But again, I want to tell you, first of all, get up on the Discord with us so you could be up on the plays as early as we are. I'm just gonna, you know, it's Neo. I'm gonna block it out mostly. And why? Again, it's to protect some of the people who are watching this. It's to protect you from what? From FOMO, the fear of missing out. I don't want you to have that. And I don't want you to have the idea in your head that you got to be in every play. But take a look. This is what I want to show you. Family, when I woke up this morning, I want to say close to an hour and a half ago, check this. I was down 19% on this. Now I'm up 6%. Now I'm up 6%. Look at that. Quick boom. Let's go. And look, it's going even crazier now. It's going even crazier now. What's going on, family? Neo Day is coming around. I'm up 10%. Oh yeah, I told the family I like $100 bills. Let me get up on the Discord with the fam, and then I gotta update y'all on how I'm moving in this. All right, I'm gonna update you on how I'm moving in this because we winning, baby. I love it. I love it. Let me see. Discord fam, check out stocks of the week. Check out stocks of the week. Look at the option. If you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. Check it out, baby. Come on now. The difference a day makes. The difference a day makes, baby. And it's still pumping. We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it. Come on now. Trust the process, baby. Trust the process. Trust the process. Stop playing with us, Discord fam. If you in a building, let us know in the comments. Discord fam, if you in a building, I want you to put a 100 in the chat. Put a 100 in the chat for us, for the family. Show us what you got. Show us what time it is. Put a 100 in the chat for the family, baby. Let's go, Neo. Let's go. I love it. I love it. I'm telling you, baby, trust the process. Trust the process. Give yourself the time you need and then average down when the time comes. I see the Discord fam in the chat. Discord fam, you getting a Don DeMarco. Let's get it, baby. Yo, we in the building, son. Let's talk about it. Come on, Light, stop playing with us. Come on, Light, stop playing with us. We in the building, baby. We love to see it. Look at all the hundreds in the... Yo, we here. We here now. My guy Ryan, he said this. He said, Kenan, he said, thank you for covering Saitama. I got you, family. Look, I'm going to cover it again today on a live stream. But for now, we looking at the beast of big dog, Neo. Again, we not even close to Neo Day yet. We still got a month, right? But remember, I want you to just take note on this. Take note on this. Let me turn the music off. I need to go a cappella on this one. Check me on this. Make sure you got your listening hat on. We playing this for Neo Day, right? Understand me. We playing this for Neo Day. But you got to understand. There's a concept that's called buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm not trying to hold this up until Neo Day. You see what I'm saying? I want this to run in anticipation of Neo Day, and then when I'm up, I'm out. We get in, we get up, and we get out. Do you understand me? If it is past Neo Day and we already got to our catalyst, our major catalyst, and you still holding on to this and you didn't take your profits out, you got to understand. You on the floor, but you ain't running the same play. So understand me on that. I want to go a cappella so just so you can see how serious I am about this. I really want you to understand that. So now, let's get back to the music and let's get back to the party, baby. Because for real, I'm telling you, you got to learn to let go. You got to learn to make your money and go and get up out of there. But let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. So now, again, what should happen with Neo? That was the opening break. Now, at this point in time, you should see it cool off. So let's go back and check the charts. We're going to cool off. Cool off. You got to. Why? I told you about this time and time again. He said the same. Even Kenan Race Radio. My guy Hayes in the building. Check this out. You have to cool off. Look at this. The RSI on the 5-minute chart got all the way up to 80. 80. Pumping. Right? So, okay. So we see that. So now, check me on this. So that got up to 80. It had to cool off. But look, it's even going still. Let's check out another play before anything else. Let's check out, BBIG is trying to wake up. BBIG is trying to wake up. Let's check out Apple. Yo, I love to see it. I love to see it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So Discord fam, I'm going to update you, right? And I want to take some money off of this one. Notice Neo is killing and pumping right now, right? We killing it and it's pumping. But what I want to do is take some off of this because I have multiple contracts. Now I want to reduce my contracts and get into another one. I'm not going to sell it out, but I want to reduce my contracts. All right. So understand what I'm saying on that. You got to remember, it's like I was talking to Uncle Larry that one time, and we talked about how even going up 10%, 10 times is 100%. You got to really understand that. So now I'm looking to reduce the amount of these contracts that I have. Okay. Take some of this off the table because I averaged down. But now that I've already done that, I've already averaged down, I could take some of this off the table. I told you I like $100 bills. So now I can get on out of this, at least some. Cool. And let me tell everybody that here we go. So again, if you want to be up on what we're talking about, just know I hit the Discord up with it. Because remember, you got to think, when you average down on a play, you didn't necessarily want to have that money in the play, but you had to use it to average down. So when you get the chance to take your average down, back up out of that, boom. You take the opportunity, take the chance, boom. We just like that. So now we just going to let this last one just pump. So then let's check this. Apple family. Apple is going banana. Yo, BBIG is going nuts too. BBIG is going nuts too, believe it or not. Now, this one's looking like a high risk, high reward in terms of jumping in at 4 on a call. Not saying do that, not financial advice, but just check what I'm saying. Pumping. Sometimes you get in too soon, sometimes you don't. SPY is pumping too. Prague, pumping. Yo, Prague, I'm telling you, Prague, you in first place. And what? Swing trade of the week. Swing trade of the week. Let's talk about it, baby. Great question. I think I've talked about this recently. I've opened up more spots, right? My guy just asked me, and let's just talk about this real quick because I love that you asked that. because I know a lot of you are new here, and let me just double check. Hit the what is it, the like button? Hit the like button for me, family. We don't even got 50% likes. Hit that like button. So now let's talk about it now. My guy said, is the Discord free? The Discord, I want you to pay what you think it's worth. If you want to pay $5, you pay $5. You're going to get the same benefits as if you pay 10, as if you pay 20, as if you pay 100. I want you, because I know we all come from different means and we all are different individuals. So I want you to pay what you think it's worth. So then you come on in there with us and you have access to everything just like everybody else, regardless of your financial situation. Family, we got you. We got your back. It is what it is. So come on now. I appreciate you. Much love. My guy T-Bone, I see you. New sub. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you. Just came from me, Kevin. Shout out to me, Kevin. Let's go. All right, so let's see it too. So what is this? Prague, Prague is pumping, baby. Lucid is coming down a little bit. Coming down a little bit. The Discord pays for itself. Let's win. Let's win. So let's see. And again, some of the things we talk about on the Discord, you wouldn't even have heard about, like over here. So for example, we only got a limited amount of time, right? On lives or on the videos. So like, for example, we were talking about looking at Astrospace or whatever, and look at this one. We tried to get in the pre-market. It jumped up. It gapped up like crazy. The big dogs is in the building, right? But we got this one on our lookout because we know what's going on. And then it's not even just this one. It's all kind of plays in there. EV Go, right? All of these kind of different plays. But we don't generally talk about them. Like, for example, family, you might have missed out on running up with CRO. And I want to just, in crypto.com, family, rank number 13 token. It's $74. Somebody was in the comments in not my last video, 2 days ago, and they were talking to somebody else. Now, you know me, I'm a big boy. You know what I'm saying? I could take it. I could take the heat. You know what I'm saying? But when I see people talking to other people in the comments and they ain't coming at them right, I can't have that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not having that. You know what time it is. If you in my comments and you talking to the family in the comments, you gotta come correct or don't come over here at all, right? So when I seen somebody saying, somebody say, is it too late to get into CRO? Because I'm thinking about getting in the 50 range, right? And somebody like, man, it's too late. I got in at 10. I got in at 14. I got in at bam, right? So if you're going to come in there and you're going to be talking crazy, you gotta at least come with some receipts. You know what I'm saying? So now it's 74, and then they in there arguing with somebody about how you got in late. How you get in late when it's 74 and you got in at 50 just because somebody else got in. I don't know what I said. What did I say? 74 cents? I don't know. So take a look at this. Somebody said polymath. I'll look into that. I got you. Oh, I said $74. Oh, I see. So watch this. You're not late if it's 74 and you got in at 50 just because somebody else got in before you. You see what I'm saying? People always want you to be exactly who they are and have the same experiences that they have, but we all different people. And it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So now, people don't understand market caps. People don't understand the market cap. When you look at a company, not even a company, when you look at a crypto like this, you got to compare it to its comps, family. I was telling you this. You got to compare it to the comps. What is the comp? The competition for this one is Binance with a 96 billion market cap. This one, 18. We trying to do at least double where we are. That would be great. You see what I'm saying? Yep. We can't let the naysayers, not only they might not influence us, we can't let the naysayers destroy the people that we care about, especially the family. We can't let it happen. We can't be bystanders. We can't have that. We can't be the bystanders and exhibit the bystander effect. None of us are superheroes, but we're not going to be bystanders to things that we don't agree with, right? So let's check this out too. Crypto.com, I think, is still a banger. I think you should basically get in and not financial advice. If you choose to get in, I want you to decide to get in using strike days. Simple as that. So drop that knowledge. I got you, family. Yep, Discord, you said pay for yourself. I appreciate you for that. I appreciate you. Shout out to Orlando, Florida. Pelosi, come on, y'all. That's funny. Here we go. But here we go. Let's check this out, too. So let's see. Neo, still pumping, baby. Still pumping. Yo, I love it. I love it. Family, I was down 19% on this when I woke up. You know what it makes me wish? It makes me wish that I would have averaged down even more. But a win is a win is a win is a win is a win. I'm telling you, win, win, win. So now, what am I looking at now? I'm looking at Rivian potentially for a put option, right? They missed the opportunity with Ford, right? I'm looking for a put. People are still saying that this company is way overvalued. How do you check that? Again, comps. So let's go to company market cap. I want to say Rivian is a $100 billion company at this point. $100 billion company. It just dropped. They basically delivered almost close to nothing. Let's see. Rivian, where are you? What is this? Market cap? Here we go. Market cap is here. Rivian. So BlackRock, no. Let's go to the next 100. It should be on this page. Rivian. They keep losing a lot of their market cap. So we keep losing them. Like in terms of where were they on this chart. Rivian. Here we go. 105. They're the 147th biggest company in the world, family, at 105 billion market cap. That puts them ahead of a lot of other things. A whole lot of other things that are doing a lot better. But people are in anticipation of how this can be. So this one looks like it's popping up on some retracement before it comes back down. Now, when they came out, they thought that this was going to be in the $70s, $80 range. So that's where they think is fair value. Can you check out Lucid? You hoping to buy some shares in the 40s? Now, if you do see shares in the 40s, understand, we broke above a resistance, and then we broke back under it. So you might be able to catch it in the 40s. You might be. No guarantee, but you just might be. What I would say is this company, and I haven't said this in a long time, but I'm going to say this because I haven't even had to use this term. This is a company that is strike to own. Strike to own. So you got the strike price. When I see a price I like, I strike. And that's when you're looking for specific prices that you like to hit. Bam, 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 right? Then you got the strike days where you averaging in on specific days. Now, this one is a company where you got to think of it like a piece of the pie. And you want a piece of the pie and you want as much of it as you can have. In my opinion. And this is a strike to own play. Strike to own. You want to own this. You want to own this. When people looking at this years from now, you want them to say, all right, look, man, you got to pick up Lucid when it was in the 50s. Woo. You know what I'm saying? That's how you want to think about it. And Bitcoin is the same. Bitcoin is the same, and Ethereum. You got to pick up Bitcoin. Think about 10 years from now. You got to pick up Bitcoin. Nobody can tell the future except you know who her husband. For those of you who are new here, Nancy Pelosi, allegedly, supposedly. But you want to look at it just like that. I picked this up when it was XYZ price back in the day when I had the shot. So now, Apple, I want to get into a potential call option on Apple, family. But I need it to cool off. It's overbought on the RSI. Look at this. You see this? Every time you see this like filled in over here, this means this is telling you, don't buy it yet. Don't buy it yet. Don't Rivian got contract to make vehicles for Amazon? Yes, Amazon is a very heavy investor in Rivian. However, that doesn't excuse being in the top 150 companies in the world at this very level. So Palantir, currently I'm down in a Palantir leap. I'm probably, and I did my first strike. I'm probably down significantly. Let's check. I'm down 26% on an option that I have over a year on. Keep in mind, this Neo call that I'm up on now, family, I was down, I want to say, I was down 12% today, and now I'm up. And I don't know, I was down 19% today on the Neo call, and in the same few hours, family, I'm up basically 12% at this moment. I already took some profit off. I have multiple contracts. I already sold some. Discord fam, you see, go check the stocks of the week. I just showed you what I did. So now, Palantir, now that it came down more, I'm willing to buy more at this level, at this support. But I'm not going to just load up on it just right now. I'm going to let it do its thing. And then I'm going to be looking to get even more of this. So don't be afraid. This is why you get a leap. When you get a leap, it's all about the time. You have a lot of time, so then you'll be all right. Simple as that. So now let's check this. At $20, family, let me tell you something right now. If there was ever a steal, in my opinion, something that's way, shout out to Ed joining the family. If there was ever a steal presenting itself. Palantir. If I could catch this in the teens, I will. So let's check this out. My guy said this. Rodriguez. He said Amazon said Rivian cars underperformed by 40% when driven with the AC on. Should love the energy. Appreciate you, family. He said, I fire you up. Come on now. We trying to win together. We trying to win together. All right. So now let's keep it going. So yeah, I'm down 26% on something I got a year out for. Remember, it's a leap. All right. BBIG, pumping, family. I might try to ride the wave. Because this one. Yeah. Maybe. Let me see what I got. High risk, high reward. I might try to ride the wave. For now, I'm going to chill. But I'm looking, yo, SPY is pumping. Prague pump but came back down. I feel like I need BBIG. Oh, my goodness, family. Look at that. 10%. 10% on a day. Pumping. Tesla going back up to 1,200. Let's look at what Tesla was. All-time high. 1247. Family, Tesla is approaching all-time high. Every car uses more energy when the AC is on. Okay. Charge point is also pumping. Before we do anything else, I named this video, I want to say Saitama. So let me just cover that too. Because I did go over that. So let's cover Saitama. If you are Saitama Wolf, let me see a wolf in the chat. Also, hit the subscribe if you have not subscribed. And make sure you hit that like button, baby. I'm waiting to do the air horns for the family. However, we need 50% of the likes. Take a second. Hit the like button. Now, check this out. Saitama, formerly known as Saitama Inu. Remember, I left this up because I didn't want to delete it because I know they like to change things out. So let me see some wolves in the chat if you're a wolf. And again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. I give you the facts, and then I want you to be the judge. So let's check them, and let's see what's going on. Let's go to the analysis. There might not be an analysis because this one was not audited. I want you to remember that. Holders. Let's check out the holders. 55% of the coins are in a dead wallet. 55% of the supply is in a straight up. I see a lot of wolves in the chat. They're in a dead wallet. What does that mean? This is the burn wallet. When they send stuff there, it's not supposed to ever come out. And you can see the amount exactly that's in there. It's 55% of all of the coins. Okay, so now the next highest wallet has 1%. So this is quite well diversified if this never wakes back up. This is supposedly dead wallet, right? You got to do more research on that after they get audited. Okay, so now let's check out, what was it? Their market cap. Their market cap is back down to about 2.4 billion. And technically it's flat on a day. The volume is up to $181 million being traded in this. So family, if they all work out like they said they was, then this thing has the chance to really move. One thing that I want you to remember though, is that Saitama, believe it or not, family, this is supposed to come out this week, if I'm not mistaken. They said 2 weeks ago. So make sure that you are paying attention to this. They said 2 weeks ago. I really want you to understand that. So this will be another catalyst for you, either for or against. So if it doesn't come out again, then you really got to understand that this is going to be another chance. If you long-term on this, understand who you are. Long-term, swing trader, or anything like that. Understand that, family. Understand. If that Saitama doesn't come out, this app, this platform, this is going to be another negative catalyst for them because they said 2 weeks. And they said 2 weeks from basically November 13th. Family, it's almost November 13th. I'm sorry, it's almost 2 weeks past November 13th. That's what I meant to say. But just make sure you're paying attention. My guy Michael said, I'm saying bye. I see you, family. I see you. Somebody else said this, too. Check out Neo. Yo, I'm giving a Don DeMarco for me. Come on now. I was talking about the $40. Get in that. Yo, Stop playing with us. And look at this. The Neo call. I already took profits on that. And I'm back up again. I'm back up again with the one that I left chilling in the game. I almost made a quick, easy $200 on that. Quick and easy. And I told you before, if you make $200 every day that the market is open, or at least net, right? So let's say there's about 252 days on the stock market, right? You make this every day that the market is open, you have made $50,000. If you can net that, that's why you got to have a plan. So you can say, boom, I just made money like this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm up almost another $100 on this, and I already took profits. It could have been even more. But again, I'm telling you this, family. Get in a Discord with us. I was down 19% today on this, but I gave myself the time I needed, and I believed in the catalyst that I had in front of me. So now we still pumping. Now we still pumping, baby. I love it. I love it. And I want to give a shout out to the Discord fam. And I just want to tell you, when you have a plan, stick to it. Trust the process. Stick to it. Trust the process. Am I going to average down on BBIG? Absolutely. Absolutely. But not yet. Let's see. Yep, my guy said he up 50% on the Neo call. The $40 one that I said I was going to roll into. I love to see it, which I didn't roll. I just kept the one that I had, but it had better Greeks. So I see you. I see you. I love it. I love it. So let's check out the beast, the big dog, the banger before anything else. AMC Entertainment. Ticker symbol AMC. We got to watch out for these judges, family. We got to watch out because they ain't moving right. What do I mean by that? Let's start off here. First of all, AMC, the beast, the big dog, the banger is 41.87. You know what? If you're an ape, let me know in the chat. I watched the video yesterday, and I don't want to get too much into it, right? But I watched the video, and this is pertaining to the AMC community. And who posted this video? Matt Kors, right? Matt Kors posted this video yesterday, and it was straight up titled Drama. You know what I'm saying? Straight up drama. He said, what the duck is happening? Astro, Matt, and Trey. So I'm watching this video, and I'm looking at it, and I didn't get through the whole thing. I might take time and get through the whole thing, but I was like, I didn't even know there was static. I didn't even know there was tension in the community of the apes. I see like people commenting all these other kind of things, but what I want to tell you is this. First of all, shout out to all three of them for being willing to sit down like men and have a conversation whether you agree, disagree, or not. So I want to give them a salute because we're not always going to agree on things. But I do want to tell everybody who's watching me right here, right now, is to do what? To the best of your ability. To make your life easy as it can be, stay out of the drama. Stay out of the drama. Get your money. Focus on your family. Stay out of the drama. You're going to find peace when you mind your own business. You see what I'm saying? There's a lot of peace in that. You mind your own business, and you're going to be all right 9 times out of 10. Sometimes you got to step outside and help somebody who you need to see that you can help. But other than that, mind your business. Focus on you. Focus on the people you care about. Focus on getting another comma in your bank account, in your investment account. That is what you focus on, not the drama. That's how I want you to just understand and think about it like that. Now that's important. That's important. Stay out of it and then just focus on making money. Focus on being healthy. You know what I mean? When you could spend all of your time, and I'm not saying they're doing this. I want to give them a salute for trying to get to the root, right? They try to get to the root and just knock the drama out. Now, I want you to see when you have drama entering your life, say, yeah, no, I'm good. I'm done. I'm away from it. You know what I mean? I'm good. I'm straight. I don't want it. Stay away from it. Protect your energy. Protect your power. All right. So now, that's my take on that. Mind your business. Long story short, stay out of the drama. Focus on what's important. Yo, let's go. Let's go, Apple. Yo, Apple is pumping, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it, family. And I always tell you, this is not financial advice. I can't give you financial advice legally. But I always tell you this. Somebody asked me, and my guy just asked me this on the Discord. He said, Kenan, if if you could get into one, straight up, just one stock, period, you get into one, what would it be? And I'm telling you right now, it would be Apple. It would be Apple. If I get into one and then that was it, I could invest in nothing else, it would be Apple. Why is that? Because Apple is, first of all, one of the biggest companies in the world, and they have not even gotten to the EV game yet, which they are working on, family. And you probably watching this from an Apple device right now. So some of you are, but some of you may not be. But understand, Apple is a banger. And while we wasting our time with some of these other plays, not you in particular, or not even me, but a lot of people wasting time with these other plays, you got to make sure that you have established your Apple position. Establish your Apple position. Why? Because the people are going to be using it. Your grandkids are going to be using whatever new kind of iPhone, iCar, whatever. They're going to be on that. You see what I'm saying? Apple is a banger. And it's not just because it's running up. You go back to when I started doing videos, family. I've been talking about Apple since it was $50. Come on now. Apple is a banger. A banger. Man, look at this. 165, family. What is going on with Apple? Let's see. Yo, I love it. I love it. What's going on with Apple in the news? Anything? 3 hours ago, Apple Black Friday event offers $50 to $200 gift cards with eligible iPhone or Android. Why Apple strategy developing Mac so confusing? Let's see. Samsung's new smartwatch took share from Apple in Q3. That won't last. Who knows? It's just Apple. It is what it is. Maybe the big dogs is jumping in. Yeah, Apple is one of the plays that you stick into until you got out of the game. That's how it is. You say you got strike days for Apple, buying on weakness. I love to see it. Shantae, I love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. And quiet as it's kept, I got into an Apple 150 call with the Discord fam. I want to say like at 147 or something like that. We got into a 150 call for January, and I let it go. I let my Apple call go because, again, you can't be greedy. Call options have time limits. So I let my Apple call go, I want to say like right here, and I made like 55% on it. But just know, family, if I would have stayed in that Apple call, I would have probably been up 200%. But again, you got to take your wins. If you win, it's a win. Even if you didn't win to the maximum, you didn't catch the top, a win is a win is a win is a win. And you want to win a lot. You don't want to win big every month one time. You want to win regularly a lot. You said Nancy is buying Apple. I bet everybody is. Yo, Gene, shout out to you, Gene. Said trying to keep your ears open. And you said, but this 19 got me. I'll catch up, Chef. Love you, fam. 19? Oh. Stay safe, Gene. Stay safe, Gene. Just know we thinking about you. Stay safe. I know what you mean. The pandemic. The pandemic. Hold on, family. Let me go check somebody else. Let me check somebody else. Somebody again, never always protect your energy. Always protect your energy. Let's keep it going. So now, Neo, yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Neo. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping. Now, let's see. Rivian. I can see Rivian continuously going down from here, but I want to see it pump before I get into another one. You said, look at Palantir, we did, and it's down to like 20. I'm not averaging down yet. It gapped down. I'm not averaging down yet. Let's look at the news and see if anything happened. A lot of financial aid, commercial growth, Palantir stock, Palantir Technologies, Whales trading, Kathy Wood buying. Nothing really crazy happening with it. Nothing crazy. ChargePoint, long-term banger. We talked about that one. Long-term banger. Facebook, Meta. Just know, I might get into a Meta call. It's getting near the overbought territory, so maybe not just yet. But it's family. I think this one is a sure shot. But notice, it goes up a little bit, comes down, it finds a higher floor. It goes up, comes down, and higher floor. So this might be close to the floor if it continues this pattern, this uptrending pattern. So let me get rid of this right here, and let's put this in a trend line. So we got resistance up here. Let's make this red so you can see that this is not the same. We're looking at this on the hourly chart. And let me get rid of the moving averages so you can see this a little cleaner. Let's put in another. Guys must consider holding crow. Thank me later. Yeah, family, I've been doing crow videos for the last, I want to say, few days. So check this out. Good looking out, family. So we're going to do some chart work, some quick chart work. If you want to get up on the options class, I'm considering adding in some chart work to the options class to kind of teach you how to do some, like how to check some trends and everything like that. But check this out. We are kind of in the middle of this uptrend. So it might bounce here and then come back down and give us a better entry so that we could get into a potential. Can you explain taking profits so folks don't feel uninformed? Yeah, I got you. So check me on this though. We come down here, we bounce off of this resistance, and then I want to pick it up closer to here. So that might even be in the 140s or mid 140s or 150 range, depending on how it plays out short term. So now, you said, please add the chart work. Yes, I got you. It sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. And again, a lot of people make doing charts so complicated, but I always want you to understand, you don't have to get complicated with it. We were talking about this one last week, where a lot of people were talking about, a lot of people in the comments were saying, yo, asking me, should I sell my Lucid calls? Should I sell Lucid? Should I sell Lucid? And not even the calls, the stocks, right? And I was saying, you want to sell it on this blue support line. Why am I bringing this back up? Because understand, doing a support line, this is basically 90% of chart work. Obviously, there's more nuances to it, but 90%, if you get a support line, you know, I'm not trying to sell it on a support line. I'm trying to buy it here on a technical level, meaning a support means it comes here and it bounces off. You don't want to sell when it's about to bounce off. You want to sell before that. And then, all right, said sad rug pull happened over the weekend. Hate to hear it. I hate to hear it. Okay. Yep, I got you. Again, if you want to be up on any of that stuff, get on the Discord. And then as it comes out, we just finished the review for the options Greeks. So if you wanted to get your options Greek on and learn what's going on with the options, I put the whole course of the options Greek is out. The lesson, the quiz, and the quiz review, all of that is out. Get on the Discord. The link is in the chat. All right. So now let's talk about taking profits, right? This is how you take profits on an option. So you could think of it like this. Let's go to our calculator. So 1 + 1. Let's go to our calculator. Imagine this. Imagine that you have, and I'll just type it in here so you can see it. I don't know what's going on with this. So yeah, imagine this. You have, let's call it five contracts of an option. You paid $10 each. Boom. You in the play for $50, right? You in the play for $50. You got 5 contracts. What if this thing doubles? What if it triples? What if it quadruples? What if you really knocked it out of the park, right? This thing straight up, you pay $50 and then you just went up basically 2 times, right? Not even 3 times. You went up crazy 3 times. You went in for 150, right? You went in for 150. So now you have 5 contracts worth 150 when you add them all up. So you divide that by 5, 30. Every one of your contracts, you had it for $10. Now they worth $30. So in this case, if every one of your contracts is worth 30, you paid $50 for the whole thing. All you have to do is sell 2 of them, right? So then you sell 2, so times 2, and you take this out. Take 2 contracts out. Your 2 contracts is going to be worth the $50 you put in plus the $10 on top. And again, I'm telling you this because I want you to soak up game. I want you to soak up game. You say you love the Discord options class. I love to hear it. I love to hear it. So now take this. Check this out. You had 5, and now you took 2 out. You took $60 out. You took your original investment out, and you took some profit out. $10. Boom. Shout out to you. You playing this like a pro. That means you still have 3 in there, and they're both worth, or all 3 of them are worth $30. So you still got $90 in the game. But guess what? You playing with house money, baby. Shout out to you. You have no risk in the game. You took out your original investment. You took out $10 profit. So whatever happens with this, maybe you take out another one. Maybe you don't. But you take profit. So then if it runs or goes, you take your risk out of the play. And now, no matter what happens to this, your portfolio is going to be up from where it was. Even if this drops 50%, boom, 45. Guess what still happened? You started with 50, right? Now, this is worth 45, but you already took 60 out. You already took 60 out. Family, you still hit the home run. And you took profit. You still hit the home run. You started with $50 and you ended with 105. You hit the home run, but you did it the safe way. You see what I mean? Simple as that. Even after this thing dropped 50%, but you took your original investment out and some. Come on now. Colorado in the building. Shout out to Colorado. Shout out to Colorado. Now, let's check out Shib.
It don't move.
Ooh. Come on now. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it raw. I want you to really think before we get out of here is, what are you going to do? End of the day, I'm not going to tell you to buy, hold, or sell Shiba Inu. If it hits, because it's looking like it's coming towards our 37, that means it's going to most likely reverse and go into 20s. You can't tell the future. Some news could come out and change that. But have a plan. Be prepared, not surprised. Now, I want to say this. Make sure that you, if you have not done so already, you go to my description. And what I want you to do is this. Basically take a look at the public investing app. A few things you'll do with this. You'll get instant deposits. You'll be supporting me in the channel. I appreciate you for that. And also, you'll be able to have multiple brokers like I always tell you I want you to have. And this one does not do the payment for order flow. So if you're buying AMC in particular, you won't be feeding the hedge funds. So now, if you go over there, make sure you send me a message or something like that. Like, write to me, give me a comment so I can know you came over there, baby. I appreciate you for that. So now, again, I'm getting up out of here. I love y'all. Join the Discord if you said join the Discord, not financial advice. Let's go. Join the Discord. The link is in the top of the chat, family. I love y'all. Hit that like button on your way out. We got basically 50% of the likes that we needed to get. I love to see it. But again, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. But don't forget it, baby. This is not, it's time to go hard now. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. I love y'all. I got y'all, and I'll see you in the next one, family. Again, take care. I'm out.